And our young people, Nigeria is a blessed nation. Don't deceive yourself. The global ascendancy of Nigeria is unstoppable. No force on earth and none in hell can stop Nigeria from playing the role that God has provided for Nigeria in the Committee of Nations. Not because of Nigerians, perhaps in spite of Nigerians, because it is a divine power. The global ascendancy of Nigeria is unstoppable. We are peaceful people. Nigeria has never gone to war against any nation on earth. Nigeria has died for peace in other lands. The only country on earth in post-Second World War that has stabilized two other countries simultaneously and invited the United Nations to take over is Nigeria. Blessed are the peacemakers. They shall be called the children of God. So let nobody fight Nigeria. And you, our future, please, don't insult our country, Nigeria. Nigeria was created by him. You did not approve or disapprove it. You did not choose. You were chosen to be Nigerians. The problems of Nigeria will be solved only by Nigerians, with the collaboration of others. It is your duty to do so. And on the day of judgment, you will be asked, you will be charged by him on what you did and what you failed to do. Note that